Guys, in this video we will see how to fix Ubisoft connect error Dolphin 028 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. As such type of error message you will receive, there was an error during login to Ubisoft connect. And to fix this issue, there may be a network issue. So first go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, click on yes, and in command prompt Windows execute this 5 commands one by one to reset your network settings: ipconfig flushdns, ipconfig registerdns, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, and winsock reset. Apply all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. After that, check whether your Ubisoft Connect error resolved or not. If not, open Ubisoft Connect as in administrator mode. Right click on your shortcuts, choose properties, and here go to compatibility option from the top menu bar, and here first run compatibility troubleshoot and follow on a screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, and also make the check against option, run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option, run this program as an administrator, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. So run your Ubisoft Connect program as administrator mode and check whether your Ubisoft Connect login error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, and here type internet options. Open internet options. Here from the top menu bar, go to connections. Here under local area network settings, click on LAN settings, and make sure that under proxy server this feature is unchecked. Use a proxy server for your LAN, uncheck this feature and click on OK. And check whether your Ubisoft login error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. This command will open all your available network connections, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Go to your network connection, right click on it and choose properties. Here select the option Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Select it and choose properties. Here make the check against option, use the following DNS server. And use Google DNS server. Type under preferred DNS server 8888, and alternate DNS server should be 8844, and click on OK. After applying Google DNS server, check whether your Ubisoft Connect login Dolphin error 028 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, close the windows. And next one is open control panel in your system. Here go to network and sharing center. Here from the left side menu, click on change adapter settings. Here go to your network connection, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Right click on it, choose properties. Here under connect using, click on configure. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced, and here under property item, select jumbo frame, and value should be lower value. If you found it disabled, then choose a lower value. First lower value 4088 bytes and click on OK. And if the problem is still, then choose second value and click on OK. Your problem should definitely be resolved. That's